this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and in this video I'll do quick unboxing and share hands-on review of Intix Cloud Crystal 2.5D smartphone. So without much ado, let's get started. It is priced at Rs 6899 and as the name suggests, it comes with a 2.5D glass on the front. Another highlight is that it comes with 3GB of RAM and it is one of the few phones in this price range that comes with this feature. Now let me cut through the seal and show you the contents in the box. First thing in the box is the phone itself. I'll talk about the phone later. Let me show you the other contents in the box. It comes with a screen protector and a case for the phone. Here are in-ear earphones with a mic and a button to accept and reject calls. Then you get a 2200 mAh battery. Here is a USB data cable and a charging adapter with output rating of 5 volts and 1 ampere. You also get a warranty card along with user manual and apps manual in the box. Now I'll talk about the design and build quality of this phone. It is a nice and well-built phone with decent looks. It has a chrome finished frame along the sides and comes with plastic back panel. The rear panel is removable and has crisscross pattern over it. The phone is very compact and doesn't feel very heavy while holding in hand. On the front there is a 5-inch HD display. Above the display there is an earpiece along with LED notification and a 2-megapixel front camera. Below the display there are 3 touch capacitive buttons which are not backlit. On the rear there is an 8-megapixel primary camera with LED flash, Intix branding and speaker grill. On the top edge you get a 3.5mm audio jack. On the bottom edge there is a USB charging port along with microphone hole. The left edge of the handset is clean and the power button and volume rockers are located on the right edge. On removing the rear panel, you'll get access to a 2200 mAh battery, 2 SIM card slots and a micro SD card slot. It weighs 150 grams and doesn't feel very heavy while holding in hand. Overall build quality of the phone is nice and it is a very compact phone with good grip. On the front, it features a 5-inch HD display with 720p resolution. It comes with 2.5D glass display for smoother touch and swipe experience. The display is very sharp and bright and the viewing angles are also good. Here is a quick video sample on your screens. Now let's talk about the hardware performance of this phone. It is powered by a 1 GHz quad-core MediaTek 6735P processor paired with massive 3GB of RAM. It comes with 16 GB of internal memory which can be expanded up to 32 GB via microSD card. It scores around 23,000 points on Antutu benchmarks. The phone handles multitasking with ease. We did not face any noticeable lags or heating issues while playing games such as Frontline Commando 2. But we did face some lag issues while doing heavy multitasking and while navigating through home screen. It also takes some time to launch applications. On software front, it runs Android 5.1 Lollipop operating system wrapped under company's custom UI. It comes with a lot of bloatware, but yes, you can get rid of most of it. We also tested this phone for USB OTG and it seems that the unit that we have received does not support USB OTG. Now let's talk about the camera department of this phone. It comes with an 8-megapixel rear camera with LED flash and a 2-megapixel front-facing camera. It comes with a tracking mode such that if you tap and hold on any object in the camera app, it will turn on the tracking mode and keep tracking the object. The cameras of this phone are decent with good color reproduction. The images taken with this phone are not of very high quality, but they do have a lot of detailing and clarity. Here are some sample images taken with this phone. This phone is backed up by a 2200 mAh battery which is removable. The battery should be good enough to survive for up to 1 day on moderate usage. It is a dual SIM phone with support for 4G LTE. So, if you're looking for a well-built phone with 3GB of RAM, decent performance, nice display with 2.5D glass and 4G support, then this phone is worth a buy. It is one of the few phones in this price range that offer 3GB of RAM. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.